And let's find a new project. It's the Encanto picture. I have this scratch art set from Encanto. I bought this in a toy store in London. You will get this wooden stick and you get 3 pictures. I decided on scratching the picture with Casita, but I wanted to try out the wood and the process on a different picture. Right after I started, I found really difficult to scratch it with this wooden stick. The stick was too wide, the details were almost gone, so I sharpened it. I used a normal pencil sharpener and sharpened the whole wood, and it worked definitely better. As you maybe see on the right yellow leaf, the shape changed. You really have to be careful about the shape where you scratch. As soon as you get too close to the edge, the black is gone, no going back. Please enjoy the montage that I put together from the process, and in the end I will tell you a few tips and tricks, things that I learned for a better result at the end. Yeah, stick around, let's have some fun. So I learned that it's almost impossible to make this without any mistakes. You will scratch over it with your nail or anything sharp. One wrong move. Keep the black outline exactly, it will not work all over the picture. As soon as you get too close, you will lose the black. Small and little details will most likely not survive. There are a few flowers on the picture that have a black inside circle, just a small one. As you can see on the right side over there, this round circle. You're not going to be able to save that, or not that round at least. It's really hard to keep the shape, and definitely sharpen the wood or use something different. But yeah, with the unsharpened wood it's almost impossible to scratch away those thin lines. But all in all, I had so much fun creating this. I finished it in one day. I had so much fun I couldn't stop. I don't know how much fun this would be for kids. It is a kid craft after all, but you really need to work small. You need to work exactly to get the effect that it's going for. I'm not saying that they can't do it, it's just maybe not that much fun. I would say the hardest part of the picture would be the flower boxes around on the house, on the exterior, because the lines were squiggly, they were uneven, and it was just hard to get them right. I wasn't even trying to fix every white. There's still some whites left on it, just some small points. Straight lines were actually quite easy to get, but I have to say, if there are two lines really close to each other, it is harder to keep the black line in between. You're most likely having them together in the end. I was trying to find a copy of this scratch art over on Amazon, but sadly I couldn't find it. There are a lot of scratch arts out there. Have a look around, see what you like. It's so much fun to do, and the end product that you get, it looks just amazing. And I'm interested to know what you think, and if you would like to see maybe one or both other pictures, let me know in the comments. And I would love to see you in the next video. Bye!